Namaste, dear all. Let us see how to keep a right attitude towards life. Life is so beautiful, so precious. So we have to use that life in a very right way and make our lives very beautiful, very positive, very dynamic. So, first thing we have to remember that our approach towards life has to be very vast, very deep, and fully with the right vibes, right vibration. We have to create right vibrations. And we have to, most important thing that we have to change our habits. People have so many wrong habits, and all habits are actually taking them towards destruction of their lives. They themselves say things that their life is not good. They themselves says that they have no power. They have no goodness in their life. Their life is very poor. They are not getting anything in their life. Whenever something is coming before them, and immediately they are seeing only that situation, which situation is saying them that there are so many things are there, and actually they have a choice there, choice to choice to put a right thing, choice to see a right thing, choice to hear a right thing, choice awareness, not react, act, and conscious act. So they can turn that situation in a fantastic manner. Nowadays, in world, lot of things are happening, and everything is saying that this is not good, this is not good, this will make your life complicated, and new inventions are making your life hell, because people are seeing only opposite side of that invention or opposite side of that new technology. If they see consciously in that technology is coming from that superior zone of divine, because material itself is upgraded. Material has the beautiful consciousness, and instruments are working in a very fantastic way. For example, even you take that artificial intellectual. If we see very consciously towards this thing, is a wow thing actually. With that artificial intellectual, we can change everybody's mind, very good mind, very positive mind, very creative mind, the mind of togetherness, mind of helping each other, mind of keeping all the time possibility, mind of creative. So we can use that artificial intellectual in this way, and we can progress our life. We can make possibilities, infinite possibilities in our life. Whatever is coming, new technology, new instruments. So our focus has to be how to make everything very beautiful, very powerful, and potential of life. So find out that potential in that things and use it very nicely, very consciously. Upgrade your instrument with that new instrumentation. With that new instrumentation, that super instrumentation, you make your instrument upgrade. Even very small thing in your day-to-day life, something is not happening, and you are saying, oh ye ho nahi raha, ho nahi raha, ho nahi raha hai. And you are continuously putting that ho nahi raha hai wala energy. You just consciously say, okay, it will happen, ये हो जाएगा, मिल जाएगा, I will remember, I will find it, I will search it. कहीं से कुछ आ जाएगा, and things will be all right, things will be fine, everything will be all right. Now that is not on correct place, but I have that potential. Remember yourself. Yourself is very powerful. Use that power. Make everything in a direction of what you want. Flourish your life. Make people happy. Beautiful relationships. And you can do so much. Very small thing, instead of saying no, where things are not going as per you and you are saying no, you say yes. You want something, your inner vibration has to be yes. Always that yes thinking has to be inside you. Make a very beautiful vibration inside you. Because whatever inside you, outside will come that only. Your inner world is making your external world. So, whatever is in external, and if that is not in your inner world, so that will not happen for you. So, whatever be in a both way, both manner, you have to put everything in your inner world. From inner world, you have to get that response what you want. Then only that goes in the external world, and that goes in universe, and then universe is making everything for you. Moment you think something, and lot of activity is going on in this universe. And see consciously now how many times you are cancelling all that things. You say one thing and immediately you say, oh, no, it will not happen. And you find out so many reasons for not happening. And message goes in universe that you don't want this. And number of times you are doing like this way, and you are sending a puzzle, you are sending a unconscious vibration in universe, and cancelling effect is happening. You are cancelling your wishes, you are cancelling your wants. You are sending message you want to heal, you are sending message that you are heal. It will not get repair, it will take more time, you will not get promotion, you will not get job, your life become very dull, you have no money, you can't enjoy, you are continuously going down. So you are making things like this way, and continuously you are degrade your life, not upgrading. आप उसको नीचे के तरफ लेके जा रहे हैं. What you are thinking, that will come to in your life. And very strong thinking has a very great role in your life. So, whenever you want something, do a concentrated thinking, concentrated vibration. Create that vibration. You want something and you are creating vibration you are not getting. So create I am getting that vibration. Each and every word has a vibration. Yes has a one vibration, no has a one vibration. Beautiful has a one vibration, ugly has a one vibration. What you say, that vibration will come before you, and then that will go in universe, and universe spontaneously starting working on that. एंड कब तक, जब तक वो नहीं हो जाता है. सो यूज दिस बेनिफिट. यूनिवर्स इज डूइंग कांस्टेंट वर्क ऑन योर विश जब तक वो नहीं हो जाता है. सो यूज दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी. सो रिमेंबर ऑल दिस थिंग्स. Be a good thought, be a good mind. Think your mind is very beautiful. Think your body is very beautiful. Think your consciousness is so great. Think that you are going in a depth of your life and finding a beautiful life and making your life very beautiful. You are helping yourself and you are helping others. And just use this attitude of gratitude, attitude of love, attitude of truthfulness, attitude of using things in a right manner, using energy in a right manner. See whatever is coming, see very consciously, very carefully, and change it immediately, spontaneously in a good vibration. That vibration is useful for you and useful for this world and useful for this universe. So make yourself a universal being. Think about everyone, and you will transform yourself from selfish being to universal being, and then universal being to divine being, and then you can be union with divine, with that great power which you have already within you. Use that within power. So just working on this aspect and see their impact on your life. And after that, we will go in a very higher level of our lives. Okay? Wish you all the best. Use all this potential and upgrade your life. Thank you so much.